Today let's take a look at the products that are carved out of boulder rock. The surface of these products has not undergone any extra treatment. Put these products out in the garden. It's going to look really good in the garden. Another great feature of these products is their durability. It will be in your garden for many years. And even if they eventually become unusable and need to be discarded, they do not cause any burden to the Earth's environment. They are also for the curious. And if you are tired of the plastic, man-made world, these products are a great choice. Both beautiful and environmental protection. Kill two birds with one stone. If you are interested in our products, please don't forget to contact us. Have a good day.